What's up, YouTube? MMM here. I really don't want to make this video, but I f***ed up. So let me show you what I did wrong. So there's this tube here. You know, I figured it might have been a little loose, so I went tapping on the back side of it with a pointy screwdriver, and I shouldn't have. So I poked a hole in it. I've already started taking off some plug wires because I got to take the coil off, but I poked a hole in this. I'm going to take it off, which means the air intake, the upper plenum. I got to disconnect some electrical and some vacuum stuff. Now I have to go backwards because I'm a dumbass. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm going to get this thing off. Get it ready to take to work. What's up, guys? I'm back. Got my part off. I'm going to take it to work. Clearly, you can see through that hole there. Yep. Poke the hole in her. I'm going to take it to work, clean it up as best I can. Slap a little weld in there. This ain't aluminum. I can take this to work and weld this, so that's great. Alright, I just cleaned up my hole here. And it looks like aluminum, but it's not. It's not aluminum. Alright guys, I'm at work. I asked a couple of guys, co-workers, you know, what their suggestions would be to fix this hole in my tube here. And some suggestions I got, probably the best suggestion, some solder and a torch. Let's get to it. Let's plug the hole. Shebang. I see no reason why that shouldn't do. I don't know how I'm going to pressure test this at work, but I'm just going to have to put it on the car and hope for the best.
One eternity later.
Shebang, here we are. I'm letting her warm up now. My little solder job ain't leaking. I won't know until it builds more pressure. I'm gonna take her to work. I gotta go to work right now. What's up, y'all? We made it to work. I am at work. Nothing's leaking. Not that I'm aware. No drips. Everything looks dry up here too. Nothing smoking. That's not leaking. I did a good job. I did a phenomenal job, guys. Freaking amazing. Again, I appreciate all your guys' support. I couldn't thank you guys enough. I probably wouldn't have took on this job if it wasn't for the YouTube thing, you know? Nah, who am I kidding? Even if I didn't have YouTube, I ain't paying nobody to do my work. Yeah. Alright guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm happy with my work.